How to see who shared my post on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can see who have shared post on Facebook or who have shared my post on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to the top right corner. There you will find your profile icon with three-line icon. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit and under see more or just below see more button, there is settings and privacy. Tap on it. It's gonna expand more. Again, tap on settings. Once you're under settings and privacy page, scroll down and under preferences, tap on notifications. Now, once you're under notifications, tap on more activity about you. So once you're here, make sure you have allowed or turn on this toggle that says allow notifications on Facebook. If you have toggled it off, simply tap on it and toggle the allow notifications on Facebook from this page. Now, once you have toggled on, you will receive a notification in your Facebook account when someone have shared your post. If you're on your home page and if you tap on this bell icon, there in this page, you will be able to find all the people who have shared your post on Facebook. So that's the way to see who shared my post on Facebook. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.